What is up, you guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I am starting the vlog in our kitchen because John and I are getting ready to cook our very first meal in our new house. Today's video is also sponsored by HelloFresh, which is super exciting and could not have come at a better time because in between moving and all that good stuff, our eating habits have been really bad. We've eaten a lot of junk food. We haven't had the opportunity to take the time to grocery shop. So having meals delivered right to our doorstep with all the ingredients that we need, pre-measured and ready to cook, has been literally a lifesaver. If you guys want to check it out, I have a link in the description box below as well as a coupon code for you guys. The code is CERE Campbell 9 and that gets you 9 free meals, which is $90 off your first order plus free shipping. So definitely recommend it. It's such a good deal, and let's get cooking. So today John and I are going to be making the crispy Parmesan chicken with garlic herb couscous and lemony roasted carrots, which looks amazing. And each meal comes with a little card like this that shows all the ingredients that are in the box. Then over here it shows you the prep time, the total time, and the amount of calories. And then on the back it shows you the step-by-step recipe on how to cook it, which is so helpful. And then over here it breaks it down even more. Inside the bag it has all the ingredients that you need, like I said. So this is all the ingredients that we need to make the dish. So first things first, we're gonna wash and dry all the produce, trim and peel the carrots, and then we are going to slice the scallions and zest and quarter the lemon. So let's do it.
I love that that section right here is empty and there's no fridge.
I know. I actually don't love that. I actually don't love that at all. I wish we had our fridge in there. That smells so good. I can just eat it.
Don't do it. Okay, do it.
I'm not gonna just eat it, but it smells really good.
Saw this on
Please don't.
TikTok.
No, don't do that. Alright, you guys, little update. Everything is in the oven. The couscous is done right there. So we're almost ready to eat. It was super fast and easy to make, and it smells so good. We have...
Siri.
What?
We don't have an oven mitt.
Oh no. I threw our old ones out because I was like, oh, these are gross. We'll get new ones. And then I forgot. Good luck, John.
Thanks.
Don't try this at home, guys. It's a bad idea. Whatever he tries, don't try it. All right, John. Don't burn yourself. This is such a bad idea. Okay, nobody try this at home.
No, try cooking, for sure.
Try HelloFresh. Don't try makeshift oven mitts. That is an awful idea.
Looks really good.
That looks so good. The carrots look delicious. And the chicken. And the couscous. We did it.
Yes.
All right, you guys, here's a close-up look of the finished product. It looks so good. It looks literally just like the photo. So let's try it.
Oh, by the way, we're eating at our on our island because we don't have a table.
We have no furniture.
Well,
Is the chicken good?
That's so good.
The couscous
Wow.
is really good. All right, I'm trying the chicken.
It's good, huh?
That is so good.
It's ridiculous that it's this good.
I was nervous because I don't like sour cream and the recipe calls for sour cream. But this is thebomb.com.
Yeah, seriously, ask your mom.
I'm gonna put the coupon code up one more time in case you guys want to check it out. If you do check it out, I totally recommend this recipe. It is so good. And after we eat lunch, we are going to go cut down our Christmas tree, which is long overdue because it is already like, we're already like a week in December. So need to go get that decorated so we can feel like we're a part of the whole Christmas spirit. And yeah, if you guys want to try HelloFresh, it's code CERE Campbell 9 for 9 free meals, which is $90 off your first box plus free shipping. All right, you guys, we are on the road now, changed into some warmer clothes, and we are heading up the mountain to get our Christmas tree. Also, we're in John's truck and it's acting really funny. So fingers crossed we don't end up stuck on the mountain, because where we're going is about like an hour drive. So hopefully John's truck does not let us down today. Knock on wood. All right, you guys, we are on the mountain. Hair in my mouth. We parked the truck because we're thinking about the starters like going out, so we're just gonna leave it running. And we're on the hunt for our Christmas tree. John says I have to wear this vest so people don't think I'm a deer. Do I look like a deer?
Yeah, you're my deer. There's some footsteps through there. We should go check that out. Someone kind of
This is like 5 feet of snow. I'm so nervous.
Someone already paved our way though.
True. I don't know if these boots are waterproof, my little Ugg boots. But I hope they are.
Luckily it's all frozen.
That's lucky. John, I dare you to jump in this.
I'll jump in after we cut down a tree.
Okay, deal.
I almost did it.
Yeah, I know. There was like some serious thought going into that. You're like,
I know. Well,
better not.
I was going to jump in.
Like, we're looking for this. Look at icicle. Cute.
Eat it.
I'll eat it. Someone drew a snowflake right there.
Nope.
Yeah, huh?
No.
It's really hard to tell, like, how tall a tree actually is, and also what it looks like, because they're all covered in snow. John, this is too much snow. I'm not squeezing through that. There's no way. Can't even see you on camera. Wave. You just hardly see it. Are you eating an icicle? Did you just grab an icicle?
Come in my crib. Let's go.
I was zooming when you spit. That tree looks full. You're going in the snow. You're going in the pretty snow. Oh, hell nah. John!
That is so deep.
I'm not coming over there. Oh my gosh. John, you are deep in snow.
Right?
Will you carry me?
What? No.
Please.
No way. I got all
I
this.
feel like I want to see that tree in the middle, right there.
Okay, let's go.
But the snow is so deep.
Come on. No.
Can I hop on your back?
No way. Okay.
I can?
Oh,
Oh,
I can't.
babe, my feet are on the ground and you're like 4 feet under.
Yeah,
You're like 3 feet under.
One step I sunk deep. I can't do it. You gotta carry yourself.
No, I can't walk through this.
I can't walk through it either.
Babe, I'm
You're
shorter.
down.
I'm shorter than you. This tree better be worth it. Babe, your footstep is literally like way down. Okay. I sunk!
Don't cause an avalanche.
I'm not trying to! Aw, the inside of my boots are wet now.
Same. But I'm not wearing boots.
Well, yours aren't.
What? Mine are holy shoes. They're athletic shoes.
I know, but mine aren't supposed to get wet. Yours getting wet was inevitable. Mine could have been prevented. I'm gonna be so cold after this.
That one's 2.
Yeah.
Well, it's 1 that goes into 2.
It's pretty naked at the top.
So walk back or?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's turn around. Turn around.
I can't!
Now and then I get a little bit something.
I'm having to to walk backwards in the footsteps. Oh no.
Gaining on you.
Babe,
Gaining on you.
no, no.
She's literally running to the truck so that she can take the snow off of her boots. We think we found a good tree down there, so I'm gonna do what every good tree hunter does, and that's send it.
I just realized I wasn't recording.
That's funny. So we're about to go down there.
I don't want to put my shoes back on. They're so wet. Stick your hand in here.
Okay, you wanna feel my shoes?
I don't care. I just care about my shoes. I know you'll suck it up, but I'm not gonna. All right, John.
Okay.
Your mission.
Throw a snowball.
At the one you think that I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if it's that one, then I'll go hop through this 4 or 5 foot snow. And then the one to
the right of that?
the right of that.
Yeah, the middle one. Dude, you know which one I'm talking about.
That one.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't you think that's a good one?
Yeah.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Thanks, Mr. Narwhal.
Just send it. Kids don't say that anymore. Do you think that's a good one? I think it's great.
I think it's good.
Cute. Cute.
That's probably less than 10 feet right there.
It's, well, it might be like 12. No.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
11 and a half feet.
11 and a half feet.
That's what I think. Careful, careful! John, do you want to tell him what you forgot to bring?
Gloves.
What else? Straps.
Oh.
You forgot straps to strap it down to your truck. You brought a strap.
I brought a tie. There's nothing to latch it. I'm just gonna tie it.
Okay. John, how is this supposed to fit in our house?
Listen, I think we just keep it out here. It's cool decoration.
Oh my gosh.
Well, we definitely need to cut like, I don't know, a good foot and a half, 2 feet off.
I think we can cut it to right here.
Yeah, I'm thinking right here.
At the bend, yeah.
At the bend. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Oh my gosh. You guys. This is huge.